Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can edit your Instagram reel. Now remember, you can only edit your Instagram reel if you have not uploaded it. If you have already uploaded the reel, you cannot edit it again. So let's say you're trying to upload a reel and you want to know how to edit it. In that case, you can click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen, and from the bottom right of your screen, you want to choose reel. Now once you're inside reel, you can choose a video which is already on your phone and click on next, or you can just click on camera at the top and take a video yourself. So I'll click on next because I'm going to choose a video from my gallery. Now once you do that, what you need to do is click on next at the top right. Now from over here, you can edit your video. How? You can click on timeline at the bottom left, and over here you can cut the video if you want to, or you can even add audio, you can add text, add clips, stickers, caption, voiceover, volume, anything you want to do, you can add it from over here. And after you have edited anything you want and added all the thing you wanted, you can click on the arrow at the top right corner and your edit will be confirmed. Once your edit is confirmed, you can add the caption over here if you want to, and click on next at the bottom right. Click on share and your reel will be shared. That is how you guys can edit Instagram reel. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.